This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shari Abbott. Super clean, move-in ready, to have second floor condo in Viera East. Fantastic location. Open floor plan with spacious rooms, great natural light, kitchen with breakfast bar, balcony and good storage. Enjoy the fabulous community amenities, pool, hot tub, clubhouse, gym, library and car care center. Easy access to I-95, restaurants, shopping and beach. Minutes to the avenues at Viera. Available now, don't miss out. No smoking and no pets, no exceptions. For more information, review the details below.